Hello guys, I'm back. Welcome back to another new video. Right now I am in New Delhi railway station with Mr. Bensapana. With Bensapana we will be heading to UP, Varanasi UP for an exam. Little bit of an adventure. So stay tuned guys. We don't know what's ahead of us. Enjoy the new experience with us. This is the station. Handsome boy. The weather is not that too hot, but little bit of humidity. Platform ka na pala para 16. It looks like this from inside. All of them are waiting for their train or for their ticket. Platform number entry 16. That's the entry. We are already in the platform. There is a train waiting here. They say the train, our train Vande Bharat, is already delayed for 20 minutes. So it's a waiting game again. Our train is scheduled from 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. We will start our journey from here 3 p.m. and we will reach there by 11 p.m. We were in a wrong station, wrong platform, so we are changing our platform now. We have all gathered up. 4 of us are here. These are my boys. Hello. Platform là có là rồi. Thử bóng mẹ cho ạ. We are already in the right platform. Lấy cho trời cơ. Bắt cái lát cho trời đây. Railway track ka nhiều vậy đấy đó. Ana Vande Bharat train na. This is the train, the famous Vande Bharat train. Our coach is here, so we're waiting for the gate to open. Cái gì lúc sau mới mở cho. Bro, hot day. Like food, the Times of India, newspaper put there na. My camera was taken it. Talo ko gure. Bizo hallo. Bizo le. Mahal. Bila dah bawa. Itu orang phone. Dapur ni wason tak lah na. We have been traveling around 40 minutes now. They are studying or are they reading newspapers? Okay. They're traveling like this. This is my seat company. They say this train speed is 100 plus, 100 kilometers per hour plus. So it's quite fast. We'll reach there soon. This is the speed of this train. Quite fast, right? cái snacks của cái gì đấy, samosa, mango juice, oreca, popcorn. Yeah. Chả bụng lắm rồi. The snack. Tối xong một tí sao vậy? Tối xong một rồi. Không biết lên đâu mà. À, chỉ khai cái. So dry, but something is better than nothing. Tea is life. Wow, sonunda arabası. Thank you. Santale Baji Angnu Tabare. We have been traveling for 5 hours and it's dinner time. What we got here is non-veg, chicken, potatoes, dal, chawal. Time to enjoy. Roti rất mấy đều ở đây. Roti first morsel. Dal is ready, delicious. This is mini mukbang. Chicken. The chicken and roti is really matching. Great combo. Welcome to Varanasi, guys. We have reached to Varanasi. Now we will start looking for our retiring room. It's almost 11. We are 5 minutes early. Good night, guys. Dạ vâng rồi.
Đây ra là gì? Họ đi tập với mời hình sao?
Cái kia vào với rồi. Đã vào rồi. Ủa sự bây giờ. This is Varanasi railway station at night. Retiring room. Pulo ra ito to cho. Talapon dura. Nazar भी आया ले भाई पंजाब जो चाटा कर so dark ini lah itu So we hit our destination in Velore. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in another video. Bye.